Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. That's what I go by on YouTube. So, today I want to share with you my stainless steel jewelry pieces. Okay? So, when you think of stainless steel, you think of like silverware, like spoons, forks, knives, stuff like that. And I always used to wonder why they don't make stainless steel jewelry. Now, I know most of the watches are made from stainless steel. That's the only thing I used to know was made in stainless steel. So I have some older pieces that I'm going to share with you. I had a long time. And then I'm going to show some pieces that I just have gotten recently. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some of the older pieces. Oh, this is a gold wedding band. It's wide. And I got this maybe 5 years or more ago. Look how shiny and pretty it is. At the time, y'all, I paid like $1 and something. I know it went up some now, but at that time it was $1 and something with free shipping. So if you like a plain wedding band like this, isn't that nice? Nice and simple, but elegant. If you are a minimalist, or you just like, some people don't like flashy jewelry, this still looks good, right? And I have another one in the silver color. And it's this one. And it has nice weight on it. I got this the same time I got the other one, like 5 years ago. That's nice. So I'm going to show you the smaller bands that I have. Okay, I got quite a few of them, y'all. First, let me show you the one for the men that I have. Isn't that nice? I think I got this around the same time I got the other ones. And it looks good without being too much. And it's inexpensive. If something happens to it, you can always just get another one. I would suggest if you find a site that has inexpensive stainless steel and you get like something like this for your wedding band, men or women, buy a few of them. They do not change, but just in case you misplace it or someone decides to take it. Isn't that pretty? I like that color. Okay, I have the smaller ones. That's nice too. And, whatever your preference is, if you like the smaller ones or the bigger ones. I like both. I used to really, really like the larger ones, and I still do, but now I like either one. That's really nice. Here's another one, just like that other one. So I'm just going to show you quickly this one. This one here, actually when I got married many years ago, I had the same exact wedding band, but it was in gold. Isn't that cute? And it has like diamond cuts to make it look like it's diamonds, but it's not. So I'm going to put this to the side because I have some solitaire rings I'm going to show you too. This one It's really nice and it's a part of a set. Isn't that nice? So now I'm going to show you the solitaire that goes with it. First, I'm going to take this off and do the solitaire by itself. And then I'm going to show it with the wedding band. See? That's CZ. Isn't that nice? You can bling out on a budget, y'all, buying this stainless steel. You really can. Look at that. So I am a person who loves, real gold, diamonds, and stuff like that. But everything has a time and a place. And so here is I'm going to put this on with the wedding band that goes with that. See there? That's nice. It kind of has a vintage feel to it to me, and I like that. Isn't that gorgeous? So what I was saying is, it's nothing wrong to wear this every single day. Nothing wrong with that at all. But if you are a person who wears real jewelry, and sometimes you may go places where it's not safe to wear your real stuff. So just put on something like this. If you're going traveling on a cruise or something, get you some jewelry like this. It's nice. So I have another solitaire ring I'm going to show. Where's my other? Okay. There's another solitaire. Now this one, the gold is really, really bright on it. I believe this was like $2 or something when I got it. These are my older pieces. So the wedding band that I told you I wore when I got married, but it was in real gold, I'll put it on with the solitaire. Isn't that cute? It's really cute, y'all. If you like jewelry but you on a tight budget, get you some stainless steel. Okay, here is a necklace that I got sometime last year, 2023. And this is stainless steel. I paid $1 and something for this. Look how nice that is. Very, very nice. Very nice. $1 and something. Free shipping. It's a nice heavyweight. If you have kids and they are begging you for a gold chain, try something like this out. They have some for men and women. And try it out. See how they take care of it. And then they do a good job taking care of it. Then you can buy something more expensive. But sometimes you don't want to start out with something expensive for kids because they will lose stuff in a second. So here are some bracelets that I've probably shown before. And it's these. Okay. These are stainless steel. Nice and heavy. It has the garnet stone, not the real garnet stone, but it looks authentic. Isn't that nice? It is so nice. I'm gonna try the other colors on. Oh, is that the same one? This is like the one I just put on, this garnet too. Very nice. $2 and something. And here's the one that has like the amethyst stone color in it. Very nice. And these are adjustable. Okay. So it doesn't take a lot of money to look cute and have yourself a nice collection of jewelry. So now I'm going to show you a piece that I purchased recently, and it's this one. Isn't that nice? That is really nice. It's very comfortable on the hand. It's different. This was like $10.99. So to me, it's a nice, fun piece. I like that. I like that black stone in the middle. It's nice. Okay. My last item is one of my favorites, and I just got it the other day. Let me tell you, I had seen stainless steel, and well, you see I purchased the ones with the solitaire, and I was a little nervous about buying the ones with a lot of stones in it. So I said, I'm gonna try it. I took a chance on it. Boom, it's this one, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how shiny and pretty that is. This, I think I paid $10 or $11 for it. I'm going to put it on. That's nice, isn't it? That is really, really nice. Really nice. And I think because everybody don't have the same income, or maybe you just want to try this out before you get that real expensive diamond piece. But I was surprised with all those pretty stones. And the ring itself has a nice heavy weight. It feels expensive. And it looks expensive too. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have a ring similar to this in real gold. But I tell you, this one looks just as good. And I put it on sometimes with the, but I don't know if this is the wedding band that I put it on with. Yeah, you could put it on with the wedding band. It's not the CZ because you CZs. You could put it on with a diamond band. Hey, I wear, a lot of people know this, I wear my inexpensive pieces, but sometimes with my expensive pieces. And it makes it all look so good. Look at that. So, suppose you want to get married. And you just don't have the money for like $1,000 ring or up. And you said, well, you have to talk to the one that you're getting engaged. Your fiance, you ask her, would you be willing to find something pretty that's inexpensive? If she says yes, get this. Get this. This one is the best. Get this. And like I said about the other rings, since it's so inexpensive, get maybe about 3 of them to put away just in case. I'm going to take that band off again and just put it by itself. This could also be a statement piece or whatever you want it to be. You know, it don't even have to be for marriage or anything like that. But I just thought I would bring that up because, you know, this day and time with high bills and high rent and stuff like that, sometimes you're wondering, you know, how am I gonna get married or propose to this woman and I don't have the money to get something nice? This is it, guys. Okay? It makes a great anniversary ring. This here is my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this little stainless steel haul, and there will be more videos coming. Okay, I'm going to put some links below and see if there's something that you would like, you know, and try out. If you're not used to stainless steel, buy some pieces just to try it out, because you can't beat $1 on up. You know, you can't beat it. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Bye.